Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's try and link some nodes inside Anytype. The first thing I want to do right now is, of course, look at the linking. So in here, click on this icon, the one that's like going to be like a star or a sun. Click on it. So this is going to be the links. As you can see right there, they're all connected all together. So how can we make sure to link some files to one another? So the first thing I want to do right now is, of course, click a file. For example, I'm going to click on this one, the Notes application. I'm going to click on it right now. And basically in here, I'm going to add some stuff. For example, some new options. In here, I'm going to add this double bracket. Type this pages right there. Just choose one of files that you want to link. I'm going to go for this one. Click on enter. One more time right there. I'm going to install it and basically link it to another one. I'm going to go for this one. And that should do it. Going back on there, now the files I'm linked earlier is now going to be linked all together. So how can we now unlink it? So to unlink it, you should do this one. Make sure, look at this arrow. The one it's coming from, for example, this one, 123 project, I can now unlink this one to notes. So if I double click on this one, for example, this 123, I can basically delete this option, move to bin, and that one is now unlinked from those projects. It's going to be simple as that. Let's try it one more time here. This collections through this one. I'm going to double click on that one, basically delete it, move to bin, and that one right now is unlinked. It's going to be easy as that.